So guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install FusionOS version 3.5 Aqua unofficial edition for Mi11X Redmi K40 or Poco F3. So the requirements are you need an unlocked bootloader and you need TWRP installed and the required firmware is 13.0.6. So you need to remove your password and security and remove all your Google accounts if you're a ROM based on AOSP and remove your MI account if you're on a ROM based on MIUI. So after doing all these, you can do a reboot, and after the reboot is done, you need to download these files in your internal storage like the TWRP image, the ROM zip and firmware, and match disk is optional if you want a flash root. And after you have all these files downloaded, you can reboot your phone into recovery by pressing power and volume up button and wait for your phone to boot into recovery. So once the TWRP is booted, we can go into wipe, advanced wipe, select your Dalvik, art and cache, then you can swipe that to wipe. Now go to home, go to install, go to the place where you had kept those two files, which is the firmware and the ROM. Now you can select your firmware. Do not select automatically reflash TWRP, uncheck it and flash to confirm, swipe to confirm flash. Now here you will be installing your firmware part, so let's wait. So once the installation of the firmware is done, you can go to install again and select your ROM zip and don't select anything else, just swipe to confirm flash. The ROM is quite big in size, so it's going to take some time to get flashed, so please patiently wait. Now your phone has successfully flashed the ROM, so for beginners, check if there's any errors, and these fail to mount errors can be ignored. And now once the installation is done, you can go to home, advanced, install recovery RAM disk and select your TWRP image and swipe to install. Now once the TWRP is installed, you can ignore these fail to mount errors. Image flash completed, so your TWRP is installed successfully. Now you can go to home, reboot and select your recovery. Wait for your phone to boot into recovery. So once your TWRP is booted, we can go into wipe, format data, then type in yes. This is gonna wipe out all your pictures, videos and documents present in your phone, so let's go ahead. So now we can reboot the system, and one more thing, if you want to install Magisk, you can do it separately before formatting data. Now we can reboot into system, go to reboot and click on system. In case you get an error like no was installed, that can be ignored. So the ROM is booted. Now welcome to your Pixel. Let's get started. Let me just fast forward the installation setup part. So the ROM is booted. Now let me change it to 120 Hz. And you'll be getting this kind of notification icons in this ROM. And the Android version is Android 12.1. And the kernel version they're using is MNZTX kernel. It isn't showing Android 12.1 as just a bug and may be fixed in the future updates. You can separately flash Dolby Atmos modules if you want Dolby Atmos, and you can put it to 120 Hz here, I guess, and change it per app, and you even have always on display. So I think you can be changing the display refresh rate here. So now the ROM looks too smooth and you can see the animations, which is very good, and app opening and closing are very fast. So this ROM can be used as a daily driver once it's stable. And if this video helped you on how to install this ROM, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.